Hey there. Welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. In this video, let us briefly learn about data science. I'm here to break down what data science is in the simplest terms. So, what exactly is data science? In easy words, it's the study of data. Data scientists collect, analyze, and interpret large amounts of information to help make decisions or predict future trends. Imagine you're a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving business problems using data. Now, what does a data scientist do? They clean and organize data, look for patterns, and use those patterns to make predictions. Think of it like finding a needle in a haystack, but with cool computer tools. Where is data science used? Almost everywhere. From your favorite streaming service recommending movies, to banks detecting fraud, to healthcare predicting disease outbreaks. It's like a superpower that helps improve various industries. But wait, how is data science different from machine learning and artificial intelligence? Simple. Data science is the umbrella term. Machine learning is a subset of data science where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. And artificial intelligence is when machines mimic human intelligence, like recognizing speech or making decisions. Think of it as levels within levels. Lastly, what tools and technologies are commonly used in data science? Python and R are the most popular programming languages. For data visualization, tools like Tableau and Power BI are often used. And for storing and managing data, SQL is your best friend. In essence, data science transforms raw data into actionable intelligence, enabling businesses and organizations to make informed decisions, solve problems, and innovate effectively. That's it, folks. Data science in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Green Cross Chronicles channel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching. This is Vijay Kumar Bomidi. Catch you next time.